Your hair long, you know, youth.
How much do you guys pay to get your locks retwisted?
It look like your girl when she ovulate, not true. Oi oi!
What you mean?
Well, go on my side. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, and keep the vibe alive. Yo, what go on YouTube? It's been a while since I've done a hair video here on this platform. But in case you have not been following my TikTok, you don't know, say it is Yaadman Etan, and I have had dreadlocks for over 8.5. I've had dreadlocks for over 8.5 years now. You see me? And it is wash night, and a time I do something about this. So what I'm going to do tonight is a hot oil treatment. I'm going to wash my hair, and I'm going to do a setup for a TikTok live. And that setup is how I usually get to see how I do the back of my head. Yeah, alright. Watch the style here. Make we just skip to that part there. Alright, so the locks have been washed. Now it's time to retwist. I did a hot oil. Whoa. Your hair long, you know, youth. So I did a hot oil treatment before washing my hair, and now while it's still damp, time for retwist. I have my elastic bands because I decided to do a two-strand twist today. I have a hair tie, my lock and twist gel. You see me? It look like your girl when she ovulate, not true. Oi oi!
Yeah, boy.
Swallowtail comb. I have a beverage because this is going to take a while. And oh yeah, spray buckle. Am I missing anything? Oh yeah, I need to have the ability to look in the back of my head while I'm doing this. It's one of my most important tools in this entire process. My phone. See it there? Screen mirroring. And now you can start up my TikTok live. I have vision in the back of my head. Look there. Make we swap this and swap this. Cause this need to go right there so I can see what I do. Alright, mad.
This is how the magic happens.
I owe that. I owe that. Ready. So now that I have eyes in the back of my head, the first thing that I need to do is part and separate my locks, and then I palm roll them in a clockwise direction with some product on the roots. Then after that, I wrap them in a counterclockwise direction. Just like that with my one hand. Because my hair is twisted in one direction, but then wrapped in the opposite direction, opposing forces helps to keep the hair twisted after you lock it together with the elastic band at the end. That makes sense? And that is one out of many. So do you want to start a cologne collection? Or do you want to smell different from Sunday to Sunday without breaking the bank? Allow me to show you how I go from green to pristine with a few key fragrances. Executive number 26. This is inspired by Aventus Creed. It said this is what your girlfriend father would probably smell like. Alright? So you wear this around your girlfriend so she know who to call daddy. Caribbean Water number 52. Inspired by Creed's Virgin Island Water. This is one of my favorites. It starts off with that citrus and that coconut. This make you smell like a tasty Caribbean snack. Oh, gosh man. Mohair number 18 is inspired by Green Irish Tweed. Gents, this is what you wear when you're going out to a classy event where they're probably serving hors d'oeuvres that you don't know how to pronounce. And of course, every man's staple, Farouche number 29, inspired by Sauvage. Yeah, so you know you're going to smell like every other man in the party. Cheese and peas, the way how you smell like one of the man them we're probably not going to text back a girl probably after 2 to 5 business days. Now when it comes to fragrances, you don't just have to stick to one fragrance. You could mix it up a bit. Personally, I like to mix some of the Farouche with my Caribbean Water. Oh gosh, man, and just like that, I no longer smell like every man in the party. Instead, I smell like the man who she definitely gonna give her number. I smell like the man who she gonna remember. People them, if you want to start your cologne collection today, and you want to smell your best for less, make sure you can use my promo code Yaadman_Etan at Alt Fragrances and secure a little discount off your purchase. Alt, I'm not telling a lie. I'm kind of scared to go out right now because I smell too good. The girl them gonna rush me. Have mercy. One of the questions that I'm always asked is, why don't I just pay to get this done? Well, to be honest with you, I live in the United States, and getting it done in the United States is not the cheapest option. I would have to pay anywhere above $100 to get it done, and whereas in Jamaica I'd be able to get it done for less than 40 US. But besides from that, it's therapy. I like to spend this quality time with myself as I just literally sit and weave through my thoughts. I've done this for the past 8.5 years, so I've spent a lot of hours in my head, literally. So for reinforcement, if you didn't catch it before. So I'm just spraying it with regular water. I separate each lock with the swallowtail comb. Apply some product on the roots. So I palm roll in a clockwise direction and twist the other one. Same direction, clockwise. Both of these have been twisted in a clockwise direction. So what I now need to do is wrap them in a counterclockwise direction. And here's the one-handed technique. Yep. Now remember, everybody's hair is different. What works for me may not work for you. My hair dries insanely fast, so I constantly have to rehydrate my locks when I'm twisting them. I'm talking, I could air dry within half an hour. Some people don't have that blessing. It's also important to know the other properties of your hair, such as your hair porosity and also your hair type. Again, everybody has different struggles on them head top. Everybody's scalp is not the same, so you just have to figure out and do your own research on your head. For me personally, I think I am a 4B, low porosity. I am also accepting partnerships for any natural hair business that specifically caters for black people. If you're interested in advertising any of your products that is capable of making this crown shine even more, I encourage you to send me an email at yaadman@fit.ltd and make with some business. After I wrap the ends, for me personally, I know it's time to wash my hair when the elastic bands start breaking on their own. That is it. So now, let me just finish the rest of this. And just rinse and repeat. All I need for the know is just put this in our like a ponytail and I need that. Alright, see it there? I want like a ponytail after. And that is me for the month. So thank you so very much for watching this video, guys. Please make sure that you hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and leave a comment down below on whatever questions, hair questions, whatever. Ask them down below. And please ensure that you follow me across all my social media, YouTube, TikTok. You don't know what's been here, man. You don't know. What? You don't know it's been Yaadman. Etan, big up on yourself every time. I'm out. No. Subscribe. Subscribe. Never kill the vibe. Subscribe. Wait. No. Wait. Subscribe. And keep the... Yeah, later. Bye.